In this video, we explore OpenAI's clandestine initiative, dubbed Project Sunshine. Contrary to its name, this project isn't about solar energy, but is rumored to be an advanced version of ChatGPT, potentially arriving soon. While skepticism is common regarding such leaks, since they are unconfirmed and speculative, there seems to be a considerable amount of compelling evidence supporting this project's existence. Leaks, by nature, aren't definitive until officially acknowledged by OpenAI through a statement or social media update from its founders. Nonetheless, the information gathered about Project Sunshine is intriguing and warrants attention before dismissing it as mere speculation. We delve into what Project Sunshine entails, the sources who unearthed this information, and the concrete indications on OpenAI's website that lend this theory more validity than one might initially assume. We examine a discovery made a few months ago that went largely unnoticed. A Twitter user, Tiber Blaho, stumbled upon intriguing references to Project Sunshine in ChatGPT's public client-side code. This mention hinted at a beta version of ChatGPT with unique, unspecified capabilities, sparking curiosity about what these special features might entail. At that time, the specifics of this ChatGPT variant were unclear. However, recent revelations have shed light on what Project Sunshine truly is: an enhanced version of ChatGPT, boasting improvements that are impressive yet not overly radical. The key feature of ChatGPT's Project Sunshine, identified in August 2023, is its ability to remember. This new functionality is a significant leap from the current version of ChatGPT. It includes a memory component and introduces a novel GP store layout. A personalization section within its settings has also been added, indicating a more customized and interactive user experience. This development suggests that Project Sunshine is not just an incremental update, but a substantial upgrade, enhancing the way ChatGPT interacts and retains information. You might be wondering if this information about Project Sunshine is just another rumor from an individual on Twitter, akin to other speculative leaks from users like Jimmy Apples or Futurist Flower. However, this case is somewhat different. The evidence for Project Sunshine can be directly verified by anyone who explores OpenAI's website. Specifically, by examining the JavaScript on the web page where GP models are featured, one can find clear references to this project. Unlike mere screenshots or unverified memos, this information is openly accessible on OpenAI's server. Numerous Reddit discussions have emerged where users confirm these findings, indicating that it's more than just hearsay. The JavaScript code in question reveals intriguing details about a new feature called memory onboarding. This enhancement allows the GP model to learn from user interactions over time. The code snippets mention memory onboarding model and describe how this GPT variant can maintain continuity in conversations, carrying forward what it learns to provide more relevant and personalized responses. Furthermore, the code suggests that this model will improve its performance with continued use. It emphasizes the GPT's capability to become increasingly helpful by remembering specific details and user preferences. This development marks a significant shift from the current models, introducing a level of interaction and personalization not previously seen in ChatGPT. In this segment, we delve into the specifics of the new features hinted at in OpenAI's Project Sunshine, particularly focusing on how they might function. The first feature your GP can now learn from your chats suggests that both standard and custom GP models will have the ability to retain information from previous interactions. This is a significant development, although the exact implementation is still uncertain, especially considering current challenges like prompt injection attacks. These attacks allow users to extract sensitive data from custom GPTs, presenting serious confidentiality issues. OpenAI seems to be cautious about fully launching the GP store until these security concerns are adequately addressed, prioritizing user privacy and safety. Another feature noted is keep the conversation going. This implies that the GT models may be able to summarize past conversations, store this information, and use it to generate more relevant responses in future interactions. Essentially, the GPT would maintain a continuous thread, enhancing the quality and context of its replies. The phrase "your GP will carry what it learns" between chats further reinforces this idea, indicating a more dynamic and personalized user experience. These advancements suggest a leap towards more interactive and context-aware AI conversations, although it's crucial for OpenAI to balance these innovations with robust privacy and security measures. This development represents a significant shift from previous AI chat models. Traditionally, each new chat session starts afresh with no memory of past interactions. The introduction of memory in GP models, as outlined in Project Sunshine, is a groundbreaking change. If successfully implemented, it would greatly enhance the effectiveness of the AI, as it would retain knowledge of previous conversations. This feature is particularly intriguing because it suggests that the GT will continuously evolve and become more adept over time. As users interact more with the GPT, feeding it more information, it will refine its understanding and responses to better suit individual needs. This implies a future where custom GPs can offer highly personalized experiences, remembering user-specific details and preferences such as workplace, living situation, likes and dislikes. The potential for such detailed personalization could be why OpenAI is taking a cautious approach to the rollout of the GP Store. Integrating this memory feature is crucial for delivering a superior product. Without it, the GP models wouldn't be as effective or appealing to users. This advancement is poised to significantly elevate OpenAI's offerings, setting a new standard for interactive AI technologies. Project Sunshine sets OpenAI apart from other large language model companies by introducing unique features not yet seen in the industry. This upcoming advancement promises to be both exciting and groundbreaking, offering a glimpse into the future of AI interactions. One key aspect of this development is the ability to manage the GPT's memory. The GP is designed to follow user instructions, allowing for a high degree of control over its memory functions. Users can reset the GPT's memory or disable these new features entirely through the settings. This level of customization ensures that users can tailor the AI's memory capabilities to their preferences and needs. There's a demonstration of someone accessing this feature, possibly in its alpha or beta stage. Although not widely available yet, the feature exists and is being tested. By simply using the Inspect Element tool on OpenAI's webpage, one can find the memory onboarding modal, indicating the feature's presence. A Twitter user breaks down how this enhanced GPT will continuously learn from user interactions, picking up on details and preferences. This learning process allows the GPT to adapt its knowledge base, making it more relevant and tailored to the individual user. For example, users can inform the GPT of their preferences, like asking for concise responses, and the AI will remember and apply this in future interactions. The addition of a reset memory feature further underscores the flexibility and user-centric approach of this new GP model, making it a potentially invaluable tool for a wide range of applications. The new ChatGPT model with memory capabilities displays its current personalization status on the dashboard, with an option showing memory off. This indicates that in this mode, ChatGPT won't retain any information from the conversation. Moreover, the introduction of the ChatGPT with memory feature is accompanied by a pop-up notification, which the video will demonstrate shortly. This pop-up outlines the innovative features of this new ChatGPT model. It highlights that the GP can now learn from user chats and maintain continuity in conversations, thus providing more relevant responses. The PI's has three main aspects: the AI's ability to improve over time, its capacity to keep the conversation going by remembering previous interactions, and the user's ability to manage what the GPT remembers. Users can give instructions during chats, and there's also an option to reset the GPT's memory or disable the memory feature in the settings. These enhancements, particularly the aspects of improving over time, maintaining conversation continuity, and memory management, are anticipated to be highly useful and effective. However, as with any new technology, there's an expectation that while these features might initially have limitations, they will evolve and improve with time and usage, especially considering the potential complexities involved with custom GPTs. We learned that many are eagerly awaiting the launch of the GT Store, and a demonstration of all these new features is forthcoming. The presenter first discusses insights from a Twitter thread, highlighting another intriguing feature: the temporary chat. This feature is now selectable in the model selector, although it seems to have some bugs affecting the prompt text input style. It's similar to the existing chat history and the training off option in settings. A pop-up explains the functionality of the temporary chat, which is designed for conversations that the GDP will not remember. This temporary chat feature is particularly interesting as it allows for interactions where the GPT acts without recalling past conversations, essentially starting with a blank slate each time. Despite this, it will still adhere to any custom instructions set by the user. Notably, conversations in temporary chat mode won't contribute to the training and improvement of the models. The updates to the GP Store as it nears its launch. These updates include a new layout with a prominent header, a search bar, and lists of My GPTs, recently used GPTs and those made by OpenAI. This revamped store interface seems to be geared towards enhancing user experience and accessibility, making it easier to navigate and utilize the various GP models available. In the video shared on Twitter, we see a demonstration of the new pop-up feature for ChatGPT. Interestingly, this pop-up had been spotted floating around on Reddit a few months prior. The pop-up highlights key functionalities like keep the conversation going and manage what it remembers. Sarser, leave user refreshing the ChatG page, revealing a message that the GTR Kasi can now learn from chats, highlighting the advancement of this feature. Additionally, the video showcases the temporary chat feature, which indicates a significant shift in how OpenAI is enhancing the GP models. These developments suggest that OpenAI is moving towards GPTs that can continuously remember and learn from interactions, thereby improving over time based on user input. This evolution could lead to highly personalized AI systems that learn and adapt to individual users. For instance, an AI that remembers details about a user's business and daily activities could become an invaluable personal assistant, continually adapting and providing more tailored assistance. This level of personalization and memory integration in AI represents a significant leap forward in the development of interactive and adaptive technology. In the practical benefits of the latest ChatGPT features. Currently, they find themselves managing numerous chats for different purposes, repeatedly specifying the same details like context, preferences, style, and tone. The new GP models, which remember past interactions, are seen as a solution to this inefficiency. The focus now is on refining these models to be more efficient while addressing critical issues like data and privacy leaks. Additionally, there's an emphasis on fulfilling promises like enabling users to sell and monetize their GPTs, which could be highly effective. It's important to note that despite OpenAI's for-profit status, the company isn't yet profitable. The subscription model, priced at $20 per month, doesn't generate significant revenue, especially considering the high costs involved in training models like GPT-4. It's a temporary chat feature. This mode ensures that conversations aren't stored in history and the GP won't remember the details of the interaction. However, it's mentioned that a copy may be kept for up to 30 days. In this blank state, the GT operates without awareness of previous conversations, but still follows any custom instructions set by the user. This feature ensures that no data from these chats contributes to model training, offering a balance between functionality and privacy. In the temporary chat feature of ChatGPT to an incognito mode, where conversations are held without the AI retaining any memory of them. This function is ideal for discussions that are irrelevant to ongoing dialogues or personal data. The shift towards more personalized AI systems is also highlighted, emphasizing the evolving nature of user interaction with these models. A key aspect discussed is the reset memory button found in the personalization settings of ChatGPT. This feature indicates that as users interact with the GPT, it learns and tailors its responses by picking up on details and preferences. Users can actively manage what the GP knows about them by instructing it, for instance, asking "What do you know about me?" or reminding it to remember specific preferences like concise responses. However, for times when users might input false information or no longer wish the GPT to retain certain knowledge about them, the reset memory function becomes crucial. By clicking this, the GP will forget everything it has learned from previous chats, and this action is irreversible. The ability to toggle the memory feature on and off, memory off or memory on, offers additional control, allowing users to decide whether the AI should remember or forget past interactions. The effectiveness of these features and how they will function in practical scenarios, suggesting a keen interest in the potential of these new AI capabilities. The uncertainty surrounding the rollout of the new ChatGPT feature, which enables the AI to remember past interactions. While some users reportedly have access to an alpha version of this feature, others do not, creating a varied experience among users. The presenter confirms having personally verified the feature's presence on the webpage and plans to demonstrate this verification process shortly. A notable mention is made of Futurist Flower, a figure known for accurately predicting developments in this area, who discussed how temporary chats will not be stored in the user's history and the GPT will not retain any memory of these conversations. This aligns with the code referenced earlier in the video. Additionally, an overlooked aspect that the presenter wants to highlight is ChatGPT's evolving knowledge base. A Reddit user had posted a couple of months ago about how the primary GPT model continually improves through interactions, picking up on user details and preferences. This adaptability is demonstrated by suggesting users try phrases like "I moved to San Francisco in 2 weeks," "always code in Python," or "forget everything about my last project." These examples underscore the AI's ability to adapt its responses based on the information shared in conversations, signifying a significant advancement in how ChatGPT processes and utilizes user interactions. The new feature in ChatGPT, likely related to memory and user interaction, didn't gain widespread attention, possibly because it was only released to a limited number of users. This limited rollout could explain why many, including the presenter and most Twitter users, were unaware of it. Typically, significant updates in the AI community gain traction on major Twitter pages, but this specific update seemed to have slipped under the radar. The speculation is that when ChatGPT was announced, OpenAI might have released this feature in a beta or alpha version to a select group of users. The reason behind this selective rollout could have been to gather user feedback and understand how the feature performs in real-world scenarios. Unfortunately, it's unclear why this feature didn't make it to a broader audience, or what specific aspects were being tested. This information was directly obtained from the OpenAI website by simply viewing the source code. They suggest that while this feature is currently present in the code, its future is uncertain. OpenAI might decide not to release it, possibly due to unresolved issues related to memory management or other challenges. The process of accessing this information is straightforward. Right-click on the ChatGPT page, select View Page Source, and then navigate to specific sections within the source code. This approach reveals the embedded features and potential developments in ChatGPT, providing insights into what OpenAI may be planning for future updates. The possibility that the memory feature in ChatGPT might not be released, considering its potential to significantly enhance the GPT's capabilities and the high demand for such a feature among users. They note that this kind of functionality is unprecedented among AI developers, including major players like Anthropic and other open-source AI initiatives. While there have been various developments in large language models, nothing quite like this memory feature has been seen before. Additionally, a tidbit from Jimmy Apples, suggesting that OpenAI might have been developing this feature for some time. This speculation is linked to a tweet from Adam GPT, who used the phrase "You are my sunshine, my only sunshine," seemingly in reference to the project codenamed Sunshine, which is believed to be a secret version of ChatGPT. However, the presenter considers this connection a bit of a stretch, as the phrase is quite common and Adam GPT is known for tweeting various things, including daily images. There is uncertainty about whether such tweets are intentional teases of the project or just regular posts, unrelated to it. This ambiguity adds to the speculative nature of the information surrounding Project Sunshine and its potential features. The notion that competition in the AI industry is crucial for driving innovation and the release of new features. However, they emphasize the importance of prioritizing AI safety alongside technological advancements. This concern stems from a recent video discussing the security and safety aspects of ChatGPT and GPT-4, highlighting the need for robust safety measures in AI development. The culture where AI companies rush to release software simply to outpace competitors, potentially leading to compromised safety standards. They advocate for a balanced approach where companies focus equally on innovation and the implementation of stringent safety protocols. A single major incident involving an AI system could have significant real-world consequences, affecting millions and potentially setting back the entire field of AI. The reference to OpenAI's recent challenges, described as an implosion, suggests some tumultuous developments within the company. Despite these setbacks, the presenter remains optimistic about the potential benefits of the new features being integrated into GPT models, particularly emphasizing the importance of memory capabilities. Viewers are encouraged to engage in the conversation, offering their viewpoints and reactions to these updates. The presenter assures that further information and relevant links will be provided in the video description for those interested in delving deeper. They also express gratitude for the viewers' continued support, underscoring the value of community feedback and interaction in shaping discussions around AI advancements and their implications.